Well, I think this is my last piece of rosewood. This rosewood only has a dark section right here. All of this is lighter wood. There is some spalting in there. My intent right now, as you can, this got a woodworm screw in there, but you can see it's quite a bit thinner in this dimension than that dimension. So my intent is to make a winged bowl of some sort. I don't know yet what it's going to look like. Okay, I've turned this rosewood piece around. I've undercut this ledge, and I've got a bowl here. It's held with the woodworm screw, or was held with the woodworm screw here. Turned it over, obviously. My intent is I'm probably going to eliminate some of this, but I'm probably going to have a curve of some sort here, and then a dish inside here that makes this thing. You can see it's this flat end is pretty flush with the round tangent with the round edge, and pretty well tangent here. So I got it centered pretty nicely. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm getting ready to put on my first coat of tung oil on this rosewood winged bowl, I guess you'd call it. It's a very odd shape. It feels nice. It's got only a little bit of dark rosewood. The rest is spalted new wood. Okay. I got this all finished, and I decided I didn't really like the shape. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. So it's too thick. So my intent, I think, is going to be to roll this off from this surface down that way and make this a very thin layer. The hard part's sanding under here, so I need to do the best I can to make that accessible. So but my intent is to cut this off so that it's much thinner. Get rid of this edge up here. Okay. Okay, I broke my tenon. The grain's running this way, so it just broke. And of course, I didn't have my camera on when it broke, so I don't get to show it in slow motion. But my intent here is just to use some tight bond glue and bond this back together, because it broke off pretty cleanly, and I should be able to get it back and reuse it. We'll see. Okay, there it is. I've got 2 clamps and it's back on there. I wiped off as much glue as I can. I'll have to probably scrape a little bit off. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I don't have much more to do on the other side. I just have to go with much gentler passes. Well, I've remounted this piece to finish cutting this corner since I broke off my tenon. I've reattached it, so we'll see how it goes. I got here a rosewood bowl that is from a cutoff from other previous tasks, and it's, there's a little bit of dark rosewood there. Most of it's light and spalted. I struggled with this one and trying to decide what my final shape was going to be. Here I am with what I got. I'm not enamored with it, but it's nice, but it's not as nice as it could have been if I had come up with some other design. I do like it, but it's a little bit different than I would think I would have done if I started over. But in any case, it's about 4 inches wide and 6 inches long, and it's got this top here. It kind of looks like a mushroom top. In any case, I think that's about it. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.